Hello everyone, we the students of MCOP Nigiri hereby presenting you CNS model, and here it goes. Firstly, as we can see the body structure of a human being, this shows the basic outer covering of our body by skin. Further, this shows the muscular system of our body. It is made up of muscular tissues. It consists of skeletal, smooth and cardiac muscle. This system helps in locomotion, maintain posture, etc. Next comes the skeletal system. It consists of bones. It is composed of around 206 bones. It is divided into two parts, appendicular and axial skeletal system. Next comes the important system, the CNS, which means central nervous system. Now, central nervous system includes of two major parts, brain and spinal cord. Next, brain is a complex organ that controls thought, memory, emotion, motor skills, etc. Further, brain has several parts in it, like cerebrum, cerebellum, brainstem. In brainstem, pons and medulla are there, and lastly, diencephalon. Firstly, cerebrum. Cerebrum is the largest part of the brain. It is present inside our skull, which is cranial bone. It is divided into equal hemisphere, right and left. Left hemisphere controls the right side and vice versa. It controls muscle functions, speech, thought, emotion, reading, writing, learning, etc. Further, the cerebrum, it is divided into four lobes: frontal lobe, parietal lobe, occipital lobe and temporal lobe. Firstly, frontal lobe, which controls the voluntary movement of our body. Second, parietal. Parietal, it receives the sensory input such as touch, pressure, heat or the sensation. Third, occipital. Occipital, it is a visual processing area of our brain. And lastly, temporal. Temporal helps us to use our senses, like to access our memory, etc. Now the second part comes cerebellum. Cerebellum is the second largest part of the brain. It is also called as small brain. It plays a vital role in motor movement. Regulation and balance control, it is regulated by cerebellum. Now comes the third part, brainstem. Brainstem consists of pons, medulla, oblongata and midbrain. Now, pons, it controls the middle, it is a middle portion of the brainstem which coordinates facial movement, hearing and balance. Secondly, medulla, it regulates the breathing, blood pressure, heart rhythm, etc. And lastly, the midbrain, it is the top part of brainstem and it is crucial for regulating eye movements. Now the last part of brain, it is diencephalon. Diencephalon controls the central portion of the brain located around the third ventricle, and it consists of epithalamus, thalamus and hypothalamus. These three organs, it coordinates with the endocrine system to release hormone to control sleep-wake cycle, etc. Now the second major part of CNS is spinal cord. Spinal cord, it is a long cylindrical structure that connects your brain and lower back. It contains tissues, fluids and nerve cells, also composed of grey and white matter. A bony column of vertebrae column surrounds and protects our spinal cord. Spinal cord helps carry electric nerve signals throughout our body. Further, this vertebral column divided into four parts: cervical, thoracic, lumbar, sacral and coccyx. Cervical consists 7 vertebrae, thoracic 12 vertebrae, lumbar consists of 5 vertebrae and sacral consists of 5 vertebrae and plus coccyx. That's it for today. Thank you so much.